This is Greg Orloff with IIoT World, and I'm here with Pete Davies. Pete is the head of digital engineering solutions at Uniper. And we're here today to get a little bit of a sneak peek into what's going to be the topics during IIoT World's Energy Day on August 12th, 2021. Welcome, Pete.
Thank you.
Why don't we kick it off, Pete? What digital tools and solutions are making the biggest impacts that you've seen in the energy industry at the current time?
At the current time, I would say it's tools that provide decision support. So not necessarily pure automation, but those that start to advise operators, maintenance teams to do something different. The energy market's changing. That means assets and how they run are changing, and they need the decision support to do that. And there's good digital solutions out there to achieve that.
Excellent. So how are the ways like advanced condition monitoring, when we take tools like that, and even advanced pattern recognition, have they changed in the last decade? What does that evolution look like?
So advanced condition monitoring and or advanced pattern recognition is a decision support tool. Maybe 10 years ago, when we weren't rightfully starting to push a renewables agenda, we were relying on advanced condition monitoring to improve reliability, to understand and improve availability of assets. Now, as the world changes, it's being used to help reduce costs, because if you've got something that monitors the condition of your asset, you could change your maintenance strategy. And as a result of changing maintenance strategy, you're focused on costs. So it's the same tools, it's the same software, the same approach, but the outcomes you're using it for is different because the market conditions are different.
That makes sense. So, what other ways can organizations add value by changing, perhaps the way that these tools are used?
And that hugely, Greg, depends on the market conditions. So the example I just gave you was advanced condition monitoring, but let's take, for example, thermodynamic modeling. Well, that used to be pushing up the megawatts of a power plant to get to better efficiencies. Now, that's really not needed. It's about supporting low load operations, supporting grid stability, ensuring that an asset can run at those bases. But again, it's still the same tools used in a different way. And this is the joy of a digital investment. It's generally low upfront effort, low capex, low opex, but what you use it for today is not what you're going to use it for tomorrow. So therefore, it doesn't become a lost investment.
Fascinating. Well, thank you, Pete. I'm truly looking forward to this session on the 12th of August. And if this topic interests you as well, please join us for IIoT World's Energy Day. Thank you.